Magandang hapon po ng February 29, 2024 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 29, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas sa para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, February 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 29, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, February 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video of Thursday, February 29, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.